dual nails with acrylic. Ready for this video? Let's start with the important stuff. Legacy Nails dual coffin tips. It must be measured, so it's a bit bigger, with spaces on the sides and center. It should measure 2 millimeters. I'll be using the silkiest acrylic powder that I have used since I began doing nails, the new almond acrylic cover from Legacy Nails. Isn't this container elegant in every way? Apply the product at the tip with apex balance, ensuring all sides are filled to prevent translucent areas. It's crucial to consider the tip's position when transferring the product to the natural nail. We use a balanced angle to prevent overflow, clean any excess underneath, and admire this beauty. The dual tips from Legacy Nails fit perfectly on natural nails, which I love. This color enhances my warm skin tone. I love it. Look at this beautiful result. Did you notice? Dual tips work with gel and acrylic. Comment dual for more videos.